In this tutorial, I'll cover how to create a course in a custom language and also how to add phrases to that custom language. This assumes you know how to create a course with an existing language already, which is a previous tutorial. So when you create a course, you have a choice of using the languages that are already in Pronunciator. For example, French, Canadian French, French in India. Or, if you want, you can create a course using custom languages. Now, custom languages, when you click this checkbox, the languages to learn change in this drop-down menu. And there are over 1,000 languages in this custom language set, including about 700 Native American languages, about 300 rare languages. Now, if you don't find that the language that you want to teach in this list, and it's a rare language, just contact us and we'll add it at no charge so that you can create a course in that language. So, for example, let me see. I'll look on the languages that have Z-O in their names, and there's one called Zoque. I'm not sure if that's pronounced correctly, but for the purpose of this, what I've done is I've created a course, a custom course with this language, and we see it down here, Zoque Test. So if I click on that and go under my level, under the unit, we'll see the phrases that I've added to this first unit. I just made up some words. So when you can edit these, if you want, again, you can add a note for the phrase, just like you could in the regular course. But if you want to add more phrases, what you need to do is first manage your custom phrases, because there are no pre-existing words or translations in Pronunciator for this custom language. You have to create your own. So this is why we provide the infrastructure, but you have to provide the actual phrases and audio for these custom languages. So if I manage a custom phrases, notice I've already added 4. I have a phrase and its translation in my chosen interface language, which is English. I've also created audio for each of these phrases. If I want to create a new phrase, I would just put spare as a new word, and the English translation would be pair. And I would either upload an existing audio file that I've created, or I would record one on the spot. Spare, as you see. And so I just save that. It gets added to my list of available phrases, and then I go back to the phrases to be able to add that word to my my list of phrases. Remember, we've already created a level, we've already created a unit, and we're populating this with phrases. And here it is, our newly added phrase, spare. And again, we can reorganize, we can change the order of these things if we like. So that's how to add and manage custom phrases for a custom language in Course Designer.